Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the medical billing process. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental steps involved in getting healthcare providers paid. You'll discover essential forms like the CMS 1500, which is crucial for submitting claims. We'll also touch upon the different coding systems, including ICD-10, that are vital for accurate billing. This foundational knowledge is your first step towards mastering medical billing. Next, let's dive into some essential concepts. Accurate patient information is paramount. Even small errors can cause claim denials. We'll clarify the distinctions between CPT, ICD-10, and HCPCS codes, which describe procedures, diagnoses, and medical supplies, respectively. You'll also learn about the critical steps of insurance verification and obtaining prior authorization, ensuring services are covered before they are rendered. These concepts are the backbone of efficient billing. Now, for the practical steps to accelerate your learning. Consider enrolling in online courses or pursuing a certification program. These provide structured knowledge. Actively practice with realistic billing scenarios to solidify your understanding and develop problem-solving skills. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Connecting with experienced professionals can offer invaluable insights and mentorship. These actions will significantly boost your journey to becoming a proficient medical biller. Finally, let's look at the exciting career prospects in medical billing. This field offers diverse roles in hospitals, clinics, and even remote work, with average salaries often ranging from $40,000 to $60,000 annually. Continuous learning and specialization can lead to even higher earning potential. And speaking of smart tools, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You'll find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.